vehicle owner that's on period. Oh yeah, that's me. Let's go fetch this baby. But first, I need to get my nails done and get an outfit. Let's go, Omo.
It's a process, I will get past. It's not so bad. Yeah. Feel me within, I'm gonna win. Ain't got a question, cause I got you. Ooh, ooh. Cause I got you. Ooh, ooh. This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. It's good to know where you live right now. So it's not less than another day. Got you find out to season. The second life, they say at the top down. Yeah, almost lost my mind a couple times. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up.
Thank you.
You look very beautiful.
Thank you.
How do you check in? That car. No, I think I picked it up.
I told Daniel this is my lucky pen, so this is the pen that's gonna seal the deal.
Okay,
Where
so
do I
you can
sign?
just initial over here. This is the vehicle that you're buying. It's a 2025 20 premium automatic.
Okay,
You can just initial over there.
over here.
Yes,
Yeah.
remember it's a brand new.
Yeah.
Oh, you can initial over here. Over there. Because I dated it with the 25th because I thought you were coming on Saturday.
Oh, alright.
But you didn't, so I just want to put in the correct date.
Okay.
Okay, so you can just initial at the bottom again. Okay. And then you can just sign for me on the second one. Do you have any questions? No? Happy?
Yeah.
When we're all done, I'm just waiting for the insurance now.
Alright.
So you can, I think maybe Daniel also has things.
Thank you so much, Ashley.
Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure. I hope you enjoy the vehicle. It's like my favorite. It's a pleasure. It's a
I am a vehicle owner. I lost my pen. Where do I sign?
No, please sign here. Now it is on, maybe it's on about 160. I get it. You, that one is.
Yeah.
Okay.
old things now, forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on a cold day. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away. Dear God, won't you send me a break? 'Cause I need to get away. 'Cause I would rather be running away.
A vehicle owner that's on period.
Congratulations. Here's your keys. May you catch it you well. This one is for your
Okay.
and then press it. This one is the advance cap. Then you have a phone holder here. And this is I'm going to just put it here. Yes, the unveiling part. You ready? The smoke. Yeah, thank you, my friend. This is nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful. When you start your time, you must always be on a packing mode. All right. Then you have to be on a break. So please adjust your seat to.
Hello?
Okay.
I'm good, how are you? Oh yeah, everything is fine. They were just showing me how the panic button works. Sorry? It's 092. Hey! It's the... what's
The
this
what?
thing? The car checker.
The car tracker. They're saying
My
they.
new life.
Yeah. As it is on, like we say it as it is, then there when you start your car, you must always be on a packing mode.
Okay.
All right. Then you have to be on a break. We will make arrangements for.
Love has made me perfect. I'm a picture of the stars dancing. It's true. I'm scared of the changing. He's making me better. I'm turning a new thing. He's making me stronger. Yeah, yeah. That's to see my life for him. Yeah. That's to see my life for him. Yeah.
It's your boy,